I'm here to talk to you about one of the 4 trends that are upcoming in our Spring 2022 trend guide. The first trend I'm going to tell you about is Poetic Imperfection, which brings and celebrates the imperfect details of natural colors and materials and how they work together to create the perfect planter. Let's start with this hobnail bowl in faux concrete. It is so beautiful and it's one of our top selling premium colors. It's got a really great artisanal look and that beautiful galvanized texture to it really makes it a showstopper. Next item over here that I have with this gorgeous rosemary is a planter in light gray clay. It's got a great speckled appearance to it, making it perfectly imperfect. The other planter is the Morris planter in Santa Fe. The Santa Fe gives you a really warm, brown, terracotta-ish appearance, which appears distressed in natural colors and textures. For more details on Poetic Imperfection, please visit us on our website below, ctiliving.com, and don't forget to give us a like and a thumbs up.